In this video, tuturuan ko po kayo paano magbayad ng ating home credit gamit ang Unified version 2. Then, open natin ang bills payment. So, make sure mayroong laman yung fund mo po. So, okay. Then, select all. Add billers para ma-search natin home credit. Ito, Home Credit Philippines. Then, 10-digit contract number. Tapos, mobile number. Then, amount. Then, click lang proceed. Then, transaction password. Then, click lang proceed. Okay, so done po. So, ito po yung receipt. Screenshot natin yan. Okay, then tap to return home. Ayan, so nakaltas na sa ating system. So, ganun lang po pagbayad sa ating home credit sa ating version 2 Unified. So, thank you po for watching and good morning.